What are we doing today, guys?
Going to the farm.
What are we gonna do over there?
Painting the tractor.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Alright.
Let's get to work.
Well, today's Sunday, so normally I don't go to the farm on Sundays. Sunday's like our family day. It's the one day that I usually stay home and don't really do much else. Spend time with the family. But Abby has to go to a friend's gender reveal, so me and the boys are going to work on the new tractor. Try and finish up getting the rims painted, and I need to hook up our torch. I went and got a new oxygen tank for that. And that's probably about all we'll do today. We won't do too much, but you know, it's always nice to get out with the boys and go over the farm. They like it, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I really enjoy making these videos. It's pretty fun for me. I definitely have an artistic side to me that I like to do things like this. I don't know if I'm that good at it, but I do enjoy it. If you guys like the videos, please hit the thumbs up button, because that helps promote my video, and subscribe if you like it. And if you have any comments that maybe I can make my videos better, please leave it down below. I got pretty thick skin, I can handle it. So anyway, anything that I can do to help make them a little better. What do you think?
Good. No, it's paint that.
You want to paint it? Hey, Crooster, does that look like your tractor that you sleep with?
Yeah.
Yeah.
A new shiner.
Yeah, that's what we're going to paint right there. Because it's hockey looking.
Oh.
What do you think?
Maybe.
We're going to make it look like this one. Come look at this one.
Okay.
This one Daddy painted yesterday. Whoa.
Oh.
Isn't that pretty?
Yeah.
That's what we're going to do today.
Yeah.
You want to go turn the heat on first, maybe?
Maybe. Yeah.
It's kind of chilly in here.
Yeah.
Engaged.
Daddy,
What?
look at you.
I know, can see you. What are you doing?
Looking at dirt.
Playing with the dirt?
Yeah.
What are you going to do with it?
Drop it. There's
Oh,
nothing
no.
on there.
Papa just swept that floor. He's got to be angry at you. You better hope he doesn't come over and see you do that. Alright, I'm going to get painting, guys.
What?
I'm going to paint.
I'm not gonna play food.
Okay. Doing some figuring.
Look.
Yeah.
Glue and then there's Gorilla Glue and another, but they're both real good.
What are you figuring out?
What's this? What's this?
10.
I have a piece in the pickle one.
Yeah?
Who's that?
Nice. Good job, dude. Keep it up. Kellen, what are you doing? You sweeping? Man, you were doing a good job.
I'll take your cake.
Yeah, the floor looks clean.
And that's the kind you bought from Cablin's?
Yeah. Yeah. Just a little brighter than the
Yeah.
one that they gave us. Alright. I think we made a decision to go with the brighter one. Well, that means we gotta paint the front tires too. And probably the inside tires too a little bit. All out of paint. Got that one.
Oh, jeez.
Got the front. That does stick out a lot more.
Don't it? I like it.
Like it looks pretty sharp against the blue.
Yeah.
We got that, got the inside of this one. Still need to do that one. You gotta clean it, there's a bunch of oil on it from when they're trying to move the tires. And still gotta do the inside of this one. Then got the inside of that one. And both on this side. I touch up black on here too, and once this is all dried.
Yeah, look at that black on there where the toolbox was. That turned out good.
Oh yeah. Yep. Alright. Alright. So we got kind of wrapped up and working there, but we did get almost all the tires painted. So that's good. We ended up going with the bright white instead of the normal New Holland white, which is almost had like a yellow tint to it. The only tires we got left are the inside duals on the back, so that'll be good. Ran out of paint, but I can stop and get some more and finish that up this week. And we worked on the chisel plows a little bit, and that was about it. Sunday, it was a quick day, but that was fun anyhow. Did you guys have fun?
Yeah.
And we stopped and got some Burger King. Is all yours all gone, bud?
The chicken fries are gone.
Chicken fries are all gone.
And me chicken fries not all gone.
Not all gone.
We have 3 more.
Almost all gone.
It work.
It's okay. It's still on. Say bye. Say bye to all the people.
Bye. Bye, our people. Bye, our people.
Alrighty. See you next time.